Hello guys, back today with a project review for Bead Park. This is my last one. This is project number 2. I've done my unboxing, I've done the project number 1, and this is project number 2. And I want to show you what I have made and show you a couple of things actually. So one of the first things I did was I wasn't sure what I was going to use the dragon eyes in. They're absolutely gorgeous and I will be using them in other projects. And I made these ATC cards with the eyes on. And I thought they really complemented really well with the ATCs that I made. Let me hold them nearer so you can see. I think they come out beautiful. Some of them are like dragon eyes and some of them are just like, they've got the round iris. So they're really nice. That's a round iris. And then a lot of them are like the dragon eyes, like the bit that goes across. But they're absolutely amazing colours. They're really nice. So I've made those as a small project. And what else did we do? Yeah, I've got these ribbon clamps and I've never used these before. These are a set with different colours of them. I'm not sure if that's the same colour. Is it to that one? No, some of them like are antique bronze, gold, silver, and then there's like a darker silver. Is that black or... There's two different colours up here. Oh, I'm just having a look. Yeah, it's like a darker silver, and then like I think you call that a red copper, but they're really, really nice, you know, the whole set. So I've used some of them in the project I'm going to show you in a minute. I've also used some of this gorgeous ribbon. I absolutely love their ribbon. I got a black one, but the black is not going to go on this project because it's a vintage style. I thought it would, but I tried it and it didn't really go. But I've managed to use some of this, and this colour is like an olive green. It's a beautiful ribbon, they do. So I've used that. And then I got a set of 2 of these large butterfly pendants, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Now I only needed one from my project, but they've done them in a set of 2, so I shall use that on a different project. I mean, you could use that and have it as a necklace or on a bracelet or a hair clip or, you know, something. They're stunning. Look at the detail in that. So I'll show you in a minute what I've made. And also I got this set. Now it is for making earrings, I believe. But I have used some of the stuff in here to make what I'm going to show you in a minute. It's got lots of little charm bits in it and that. It's really nice. It's got like little leaves and feathers. There's some chain and that. So it's like a complete set that you could make some earrings and that. So I'm going to use the rest of this up. But let's get on and show you what I actually made. I love Bead Park project products. I've actually just ordered 3 big bundles of beads off of them, and I've actually paid for them because they were such an amazing deal. And I'm very excited. I'm waiting for them to come, and I've never used one of these companies before to buy anything off of, but I see them and I thought I'm going to actually buy some of those because they were amazing value, and I've seen them in, I think it was Betsy, yeah, it was Betsy Doodle's video. She got some of the large beads. They're acrylic beads, and I thought, oh, they look wonderful. I'm going to order some of them, so I've actually bought some. So I'm waiting for them to come, and I've ordered some other beads as well, like very similar to that, but different styles, and larger beads as well. So I'm very excited to receive that. So let's get on with my project share, and then I'll tell you how I made it. I don't know if I've got anything here I can point with. Yeah, I've got my pokey tool. So I have made this. Let's see if I can pull it on anything and hold it up. I don't know if I can. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that. It probably, if I bring it in a little bit, like that, if it'll hold. Now this is a large pocket watch shape. I got that from Artful Days, UK. Now on this, no, it's not going to hold. Let me hold it. I've used the large butterfly up here. I'm not going to be able to show you with that. I use my pen so I can point. I've used the large butterfly up here, and I've colorized it. Okay, we've got a picture of a vintage bird on the background all around. The large butterfly, some of that gorgeous ribbon in the olive green. I've used some of the ribbon clamps on here. There's one here, one there. And I've put in some little gems, not gems, embellishments on here. I'll move them out the way you can see the picture on the background. Okay. So that just hangs on there like that. And all around the edges I've crackled it. It's distressed and crackled and coloured in many colours. I've gone with the theme of the paper in the background, which is true vintage, and it is like peach, pinks and greens. So hence the olive green colour, which complements that picture beautifully. And then it says on there, my whole world. I've used one of the oval MDF laser cut woods here to bring it out more. I've also used some of the earring jewellery findings. There's a key there. At the back of there, there's like a filigree piece. And on this side here, there's another filigree piece. I've used some resin flowers up here. And that's come out of my own stash, so is that. And I've used some little dewdrops on there. And I've colorized it with wax and, oh, the leaves are, you see these leaves here? Where are they? On the side there. They're metal leaves that have been coloured. I've colorized them, and they were from the jewellery set as well. Let me see if I can rest my arm so it's not shaking so much, and try and get it in the camera to show you. About there, it's all in. So that is what I've made. It's taken me a few days to make this project. I think it's really, really pretty, very vintage looking, and I absolutely love that butterfly. It is the actual statement of this piece. You know, it's wonderfully detailed in the metal, and it's come out so beautiful. and it looks lovely on that project with the bird. I wanted it to all mix in very well, and it's absolutely done that. And the crackle around it gives it that little bit of, you know, it looks very nice. So with that green ribbon topped off, it's just beautiful. I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. I'm hoping Bead Park like that because I think it's a stunning piece how it's come out. And yeah, I'm very, very happy with that. And as I said, I have ordered some of their beads and I've paid for them with my own money, and I'm looking very forward to them to come. They're doing large, big packs of beads for £2.75, I believe. They are acrylic beads, but they're large. Some have got lovely detail in them. Some are like, you know, like the glass faceted large big gems, but these are plastic acrylic, but they will be lovely on different projects. So I've got a mixture of them coming. I've got some other little bits that I've ordered as well. So I'm really, really glad that I've done an order with them, because it's the first time I've actually ordered with them, because they usually send me stuff. And I think that was a wonderful price, and I'm glad I looked on the website after watching Betsy Doodle's video, because she explained so well that they're fantastic beads and that. And when I see a video, I needed to get some of them. And yeah, I hope you like my projects anyway. I really love this. I really like the eyes on these. I think they look absolutely gorgeous as well. And thank you, Bead Park, for giving me the opportunity again. And it's been wonderful. And I think the stuff is fantastic. So thank you very much. And I hope everyone likes this video. And take care for now, guys. Okay? Bye.